guys, Miss Y is here. Today we are going to make pizza together. I have my pizza oven here and my Play-Dohs. Isn't that so fun? Let's get started. First, we need to have a pizza dough. Here's a circle. If you have your Play-Dohs with you, come join me. Time to go in the oven. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's count together. Baking time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ta-da! Our pizza dough is ready. What should we put on it? Do you guys want some cheese on it? I would love to add some cheese. I have my plate and I'm going to have some cheese. There you go. What else can we add on it? Some bell pepper? Yes, I will add some bell pepper. Do you guys like bell pepper? I do. And it is very healthy. Here we go. Yay! And what else? Do you guys would like to add some onions? Okay, let's do it. Do you guys like having pizza party? I do. There you go. Yay! I like my pizza. It is ready to eat. Enjoy! It looks so yummy.
Pizza!
That is delicious.